Where are you going? Are you excited? Where are we going? Where are we going? Are you going on a plane? We're on the plane.
Here we go.
Tabor's first plane ride.
Yeah.
You're gonna do so good, buddy. What is he doing? Just chilling?
It's like, what's this all
Chilling?
about?
And what are you doing over here?
I made me do something.
Oh, that's gonna keep you busy all this time, huh? We got a 6.5 hour flight.
I was wishing I knew do.
Downton Abbey? I'm watching that.
Oh my gosh.
I'm so excited.
I'm pretty excited for Zombieland too, so that'll be nice. Huh, Junie? What are you gonna watch?
This.
This? Oh, that's Downton Abbey. Yeah, okay.
Maybe both.
I like your taste. Traveling with kids is always such an adventure.
So much stuff.
So much stuff. We checked a lot of stuff under, but we're also carrying on a bunch of stuff. After this flight, we will be there.
So excited.
So, are you excited, Libby? Yeah, we're gonna have so much fun, huh?
I think this flight's gonna go well, right? I'm putting out positive vibes. It is
Yeah.
a long flight.
It is. Very long flight.
Over.
But it'll all be worth it.
Ah, stop licking me. Stop.
Where is he?
Remember, we can't touch the turtles.
He's right here.
Just so you know, out of the water. Not this one.
I think he looks like he's
I didn't even see that one. Don't touch him.
Jenny, do you see that turtle?
He opened his eye.
Do you see him?
He opened his eye.
Look,
Looking at us.
there he is.
Hi, turtle friend.
He only ate rocks.
No, he doesn't eat rocks. He eats kelp? I don't know.
Oh,
We made it.
We're here. Hey, there's another one.
Oh, look, they're sleeping on the beach.
So here we go again, it's no surprise. 'Cause we know better than to roll the dice. So take this love and try to make it new. You can't fight it when it feels so true. You drive me crazy like no one else. The final moment before I lose myself. And it's no use working 9 to 5. If you want more than to stay alive, come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light. So come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light. The morning light, oh.
Okay, did everyone have fun? We made it to Hawaii. It's official. We dipped in the ocean. That makes it officially official. And on the way over, we saw whales breaching, humpback whales. It was so cool. You almost ran over a turtle already. Junie got to swim. How was it, Lovey?
It was cold.
It was cold.
We are on the cold side, yeah.
Yeah, and Tabor had his first beach experience.
What did you do?
How was it, buddy? Was it
Like
good?
the best nap of your life? Yeah.
We had so much fun today, guys. We are in Maui. We're going to be here for a while, so be sure to subscribe so you follow us on our Hawaiian adventure. We came here last year, and we were here for about a month, and this time we want to see all new stuff. Last time, if you want to go check out those vlogs, I'll link them, but we checked out like all the touristy stuff, and this time we want to do totally different stuff. Hopefully more like, we really want to swim with the dolphins. That's like one of our top priorities. And then just have fun, kind of have more of a vacation. So hope you guys subscribe, follow us on Instagram because we are storing and posting our entire trip, and we'll see you in our next video.
Be where your feet are.
Be where your feet are.
Baby,
Yeah, do hang loose. Hang loose. Good job. Here we go, Junie. What do you want, Lovey?
I want some ice.
Shaved ice? Okay.
Okay. How many are we getting?
Get a
One?
medium.
A medium?
Okay. Medium Lilla Koi.
Let's just get one to share, right?
Yeah. Should we get this? No koi?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay. Hello. Can we get a medium no koi? No.
Okay, I set you down now. We're just getting one today?
Yeah.
Yes. For the Ulu, it'll be
It's good. So good.
Should we get a couple more spins?
Couple what?
More spins?
Oh yeah.
That looks so good.